Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Pad to an Android device. Begin by accessing Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to set it up to exactly the same on both devices, begin by clicking on I agree. Then select Confirm, Continue, and Allow. Now on the other one, I agree, Confirm, Continue, Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. Then to close it, tap on OK. Select Close in white pop-up at the top. And now it's time to rotate your device if it didn't do it, like mine. Now we can finally select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ads. Tap on Yes, I agree or No, thanks, and then select Close this window. When you're ready, go back to OnePlus and use all of those categories from the top to select all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the couple of them. I will go with those two. When you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now you need to decide which connection way you want to use. If you wish to scan this QR code, click on this scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Android's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers before they expire. And last but not least, select Receive. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!